Okay, here we go, trying to capture this for RunCam. Then it just goes to black screen after that. Do it one more time for you. Back to black screen, I imagine. Yep. Black screen shows my OSD, that is it. Okay, next. Crap. Unplug first. Let's see, I'll take this off for you. It's soft mounted too. You want me to, I don't need to pull this off. You can see I don't have nothing wired up to the back side of it. I used a plug for that. Everything here is soldered up good. 5 volt, 5 volt. Which everything was done according to this. Same as all my other builds, which they're fine on. Just this one. I don't know what else you want me to do. It's pretty simple wiring. So it's not like it was that difficult or anything. Well, I guess you could screw it up if you didn't hook it up 5 volts or something, but other than that, it's a camera. Same as on planes or on any of my other quads. So now I'll go take pictures of my receipts, I guess, and add on to here.